Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by seasoning and searing. Pat 500 g firm fish dry and rub with salt and a little turmeric so it holds shape. Meanwhile, blend 2 tsp turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tsp cumin, and 1/2 tsp chili with a splash of water to a paste. Heat 2 tablespoon oil and brown sliced onion. Add 3 garlic cloves and a 1-inch piece of ginger to release aroma. Once the onion is soft and fragrant, stir in the spice paste for 1-2 minutes to bloom. You now build the sauce. Add 1 chopped tomato and 200 ml coconut milk to the toasted spices so the oil carries flavor through the liquid. Once it simmers, lower heat and taste. Add 1 tsp salt and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Gently nest the fish pieces into the simmering base so they cook evenly. Simmer 6 to 8 minutes until the flesh turns opaque and flakes. Make sure to spoon sauce over the fish so it stays moist and absorbs spice throughout. You finish by stirring in 1 tablespoon lime juice and a handful of chopped cilantro for brightness. Then let the curry rest 3 minutes off heat so flavors marry. If the sauce seems thin, simmer uncovered 2 to 3 minutes to reduce. Conversely, add 2 to 4 tablespoons water or coconut milk to loosen it. If fish is breaking up, make sure to pat it dry before searing. Use lower simmering heat and stir minimally. Those small adjustments prevent flaking and keep the curry picture perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.